It's called Dominoes. There's a video if you want to look at it. It's on the internet. Dominoes. I got a video on AOL for this. Go on AOL, I got a video. Naturally rhyming, there we go. Hot 97 flow, pop nines and pop bars and daily toe. Live from the state line of the crowd and there we go. When the sun is riding high in the Chevy go. Got three of the last go then. Bless the cook, piece at your homies, smack your cronies. Pockets up with the cheese on the ravioli. Rap is holy, it's macaroni, you know me. Nasty dashes, the master blaster, the action packer, the magic snatcher. Scribbled as a capture, the rocker slapper. Watching yo gabba gabba, grabbing hoes, posing at cameras. The god'll make a model follow like SEC. You wanna follow the rapid speed, stop it. Work like some pop logic, drop it, shaking like cell to counter. Once poppin', getting twisted like profit, wicked. Breaking the coffin ticket, just a flip strip. Roll up Richie Rich with the riches. Show up with 56 bitches, how I kick it. Rap getting rid of the prescription. The biddy in the kitchen, she wiggling into this shit. Ripping ribbons to ignorant predation. On fiddlesticks, schoolers kids, detention. The shitty light off in the dome. It's pretty light off in the hole. Used to sleep like lost in the sauce in the zone. Ask me what it costs for a show. I don't know. Probably got a lot of comments though. Breakfast make the party jump on. Geronimo. If you want to become soft, you gotta go. Bring the cheese to my front door. Dominoes. Yeah. 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 That makes me feel good. That makes me feel okay.